All right, guys, chocolate chantilly. It can be very versatile. You can use it to make verrin, to finishing up chocolate cake, to decorate anything, and it's super light, not too sweet. It's really a quick and easy mousse to make. So we're gonna use 1 liter of whipping cream, which we're gonna give it a boil. And in this bowl, we're gonna use 100 grams of milk chocolate and 200 of dark chocolate. This one is a 63% dark. That's it. So as soon as our cream is boiling, we're gonna pour it onto our chocolate. Make sure everything is melted and nice and delicious. Let it cool down, and you will see what we do next. All right, this is boiling. Whoa, you really need to keep an eye on it because it goes over the pan so quickly. All right, let's pour it onto our chocolate. I'm gonna give it a mix now until everything is melted. Right now, we want to make sure all the chocolate has been melted all around. So we scrape the sides, the bottom. See, there's still a bit of chocolate stuck at the bottom of the bowl. So this is really important, just to make sure everything is mixed. If you have a hand blitzer, it's okay to do it now, really. But I still don't have mine. I keep forgetting to buy it. There you go. It's only when I need it, I realize that, I forgot to buy it. One day will happen. Another double check. I think it will be fine now. Yeah, lovely. There's no more pieces of chocolate. Everything has been melted through the cream. Lovely. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cling film against the top of that thin ganache. There you go. So we're gonna let it rest on the side of the bench until it cools down. Then we reserve it in the fridge until tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, we're whipping it, and it's gonna be lovely. Hey, so we are in the morning, and this has cooled down very well. So we're gonna remove the cling film. It's still very liquid. There you go. Give it a gentle stir. See how liquid it is? It's like a chocolate sauce. Let's put some in a whisking bowl. So you can whisk it by hand, but I'm gonna use the machine. So this is gonna whip like a whipping cream. Oh, it has already changed. This is getting thicker and there. So we don't want to over mix it. It's better to finish it by hand. And when it holds, it's ready. So I got this chocolate cake to finish, and that's the perfect things to have. So this chocolate cake is similar as my last chocolate roulade for Christmas. The last I posted. See that? Beautiful Chantilly. It's spread nicely. So here I'm going all around to stick some chocolate shaving. Look at that beautiful cream. That's all, guys. Enjoy.